guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today you guys are going to be watching me make this beautiful wig. So you guys, I bought a 22 frontal, 24, a 26, and a 28 bundles. You guys, this was my first time ever buying from this company, and to be honest, I would buy it again. And I also recommend this hair company. One thing I do like about this hair is that the weft is very long, so you can make a full wig out of it. And to be honest, I was kind of surprised that only 3 bundles in a frontal made a wig, because I had bought 4 bundles before, but not from this company, and it didn't make a full wig. So yes, I definitely love this hair. I love everything about it. I had so much bundles that I didn't have enough space to put anywhere else. By the way, you guys, the texture of this hair is deep wave. Everything will be down in the description box below. This hair did also come with a few accessories, some lashes, some pretty hairpins. I'll let you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Sometimes you over bleach it, so when that happens, I would recommend you use a Sharpie or you dye the hair black. But I would mostly recommend you dye the hair black, so that way it'll be seamless. But if you're in a rush like me, go ahead and use the Sharpie. So you guys, I tried to do a middle part and I was not feeling it. I didn't like it. I was like, oh, that's not it. So shout out to my friend Josie for suggesting that I do a side part. Big brrr. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.